This Samsung washing machine is highly efficient, so you can wash all your laundry and consume less energy without compromising on results. With QuickDrive, a pulsator is used to create a fast water flow. This reduces wash times by up to 50% and makes sure that detergent penetrates deep into the fabrics. Enjoy faster washing with the same great results. Ecobubble is a cool temperature wash cycle that combines air, water and detergent to create penetrative bubbles. The bubbles soak into your clothes to effectively remove stains, and the cool temperature is better for the environment and your bills. AddWash allows you to add items during a wash cycle. The small opening in the door can be opened at any time in the cycle when the temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius. Great for when you miss a sock or a towel or want to add additional detergent. With a large capacity, this Samsung washing machine can accommodate a lot of laundry in one load, so you can spend less time washing your clothes.